Then the fourth topic is that, of course, we're waiting for the decision dito sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Lahat naman kami nag-agree, simple lang. Ginugulo ng ginugulo ng ginugulo. We're not saying it's only one person or one group na gumugulo. Every single member of the Senate may personal responsibility yan, may responsibility sa Senate. But ang point is, ang masterminds, no? Masterminds. Remember, hindi to isang sistema ng corruption na lumaki lang. Isa po tong master plan na pinut in place nung nagsimula tong administrasyon na to na lumaki ng lumaki. So napaka-importante na luminaw kasi habang gumugulo ay hindi po matutukoy ang mastermind. Mauulit at mauulit na lang to. So continue the outrage, continue exposing, continue the investigation, but the frustration is growing because nga, as we predicted from the start, may gumugulo, ginugulo, pinapalabo ang malinaw. Diba? I'll give you an example ha. Kung ay isang kumpanya ay bumabaksak kasi late parati yung mga empleyado, and then may mga uma-absent pero hindi umaamin. Pero meron pong uma-absent na matagal at nagnanakaw. So yun po ang na-reveal kasi may sistema pala yun. O nung inimbestigahan, sinabay-sabay na lahat. So syempre lahat ng mali gusto nating imbestigahan. Pero pag sinabay-sabay mo, magsasara yung buong korporasyon, di ba? Kaya ganun nangyayari sa ating bansa. In every city, municipality, barangay, district, province, may magkakalaban. And everyone wants to point sa kalaban nila for doing something wrong. Sinabi na nung ilan mga political activists, analysts, yung iba pong mga influencers, this is all about 2028. So many people want to knock out their opponent already now because no one will vote for corrupt people, especially at this point in time. Diba? And may panahon para dyan. Kasi nga pag nagawa mo na yan, on the record na yan, kahit papano, lalabas yan. But the question is, do you want to get to the bottom of this scam, 'di ba? And do you want to show the Filipino people na hindi pwedeng ganitong pangloloko? Naloko na tayo magpapaloko ba tayo ulit, 'di ba? So yun lang, I'll stop there kasi maraming details yung hearing. We didn't talk about the hearings of the details of the hearing, but yun nga ang pinag-uusapan namin lahat. Given na may budget and we'll have to pause and finish the budget, how do we fix the direction of all of them? Yung ICI, yung Blue Ribbon Committee, DOJ, Ombudsman, kasi nga, nawe-weaponize pa rin kahit papano, wittingly or unwittingly.
Sir, nakausap niyo